Hello Woodworks, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create repair order from the ticket form. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Repair Helpdesk. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users and allow these options for create repair order from the ticket screen. Let's save. Now go to Helpdesk, go to tickets, go to anyone and see here this button for create repair order. Now click on add product to repair, large cabinet, text is the repair. Now add parts, product is a large cabinet and done is 1. Let's save. So see here your repair order is created is 1. I want to create one more. Storage box, product quantity is 2, add parts and done is 1. Let's save. So see here now attach total 2 repair orders. View this and see here your created repair order and also display repair order screen in create ticket. It means you can also create this ticket from the repair order. Now add your ticket name like create from the repair. Add subject, type is a request, category product issue, add subcategory, closing date is 15, set priority and text. Let's save. So see here now ticket is created. Open this and display all details. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.